Okay, so I am starting this one at this point. I've already got most of the points in here that I needed. I've got my smart art, I've got my background, I've got my border, I've got my strike through, I've got my pictures with background gone, and now I want to do my mail merge. So if you're up here, we want to go into mailings. And we are going to go to start mail merge. We are going to do a step-by-step mail merge wizard, because why not, until we get really good with it. And I've already kind of walked through this once, but I'm going to start all over again. So what type of document are you working on? We're going to say we're going to work on a letter. Okay. And then how do you want to set up? So use a current document. That's this stuff here. So we're going to go to select participants. I've already uploaded one, but use an existing list, select a list, or do whatever. So I'm going to select a different list for this one. And I am going to go up to my documents. I'm going to go into, so you guys, I have this posted, this Excel sheet posted on the D2L. So go ahead and save that onto your computer before you start this so that you have it, okay? And now this one is going to say sheet number 1, and first row of data contains column headers, which is like your first name, your last name, blah, 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 blah. And it does. And I did write it on sheet number 1. So I'm going to say okay to all of that. And it's going to bring me up with all of this information. So I've got, you know, my last name, my first name. These are the source that it's going to be picking from are these guys here. And then all of these guys down here. So I'm just going to say okay at this point. And so now I have a sheet copy of A37, and I'm going to go to write your own letter. So at this point here, if I wanted to put an address block in, I could, a greeting line, anything else. We are going to, because we've got the deer, we're going to try it from here and see if this one works. So we're going to say child name here, and we're going to insert, and then we're going to say close, and I'm going to do a comma. And I'm going to go back into here, more items, and I'm going to say a first name of a parent, and then close, and I'm going to say and more items, the first name of the other parent. Okay. And we're going to close that. Now I see that my spacing is all wrong because it's a little bit big. So I'm just going to go back home, and I'm going to make it like a little bit smaller here, just so they all fit on the same line. Okay, so preview your letter, and boom, it comes up with Sophia, Cam, and Tracy. So those are the family names from it. And if you go over here to recipients, as you go through Oliver, Samantha, and Pam, Emma, Jesse, and Jen, Jackson, Will, and Kim, it actually takes all of the names from that spreadsheet, and you can pick their addresses, you can put whatever information you want, and then it drops it right into this. So it makes it really, really easy. So you don't have to retype 1 million things over and over and over again. So we're going to complete the merge here. It's ready to produce your letters. And we are, or you can, if you would, say print for me. And we're going to print all, and we're going to say, okay, but here's a trick. Do not actually print it. Go in here, Microsoft Print to PDF. Okay. And we are going to say, okay. And then it's going to come up and ask us, where do we want to print to PDF to? Okay, so this is the point when you save this onto your hard drive somewhere. Hopefully it's kind of a big file, so it's taking a minute. But I'm going to go and save it in my documents, and I'm having an issue doing that. But you can see down here, say file type as PDF document. And hopefully this will work, and I will upload it. I'm going to just pause the video here while, oh, there we go. I'm having some internet issues this morning. So, anyway, hopefully we can get this, and I can scroll down eventually, and then I will be able to save this, and upload it to D2L with a mail merge on. And that is your assignment. Okay. Hope that helped.